Hello and welcome to an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Imagine having the power to understand and harness the capabilities of transformers and large language models, the revolutionary models that have reshaped the landscape of AI. This course is designed for data scientists and machine learning engineers, AI developers and programmers, NLP enthusiasts, AI researchers and academics, as well as AI innovators and entrepreneurs. We will take you on an immersive adventure through the transformers, which are at the heart of large language models, and break down complex concepts into easily digestible nuggets of knowledge. Before embarking on this journey, ensure you meet the following requirements. It's essential to have a basic level of Python programming, fundamental machine learning knowledge, and it's preferred to have some NLP basics. Also, you have to use Jupyter notebooks. In this course, you will learn how transformers work. We will unravel the complexities of their internal structure. We will delve deep into the mechanics of transformers layers, demystifying their secrets one layer at a time, unveiling the mesmerizing magic of the attention mechanism. But that's just the beginning. Our course will go the extra mile by exploring the different transformer architectures. You will not only know what makes them unique, but also understand how to wield their powers for various tasks. We will guide you through a comprehensive breakdown of transformers, block by block and layer by layer. The excitement does not stop there. You will discover how to leverage pre-trained transformers for a multitude of tasks, from machine translation to the precision of text classification. You will master sentiment analysis, question answering, text generation, and text summarization, opening up a world of possibilities. But that's not all. We will equip you with the knowledge to fine-tune a transformer for your specific needs using your own data set. Also, you will learn how to train your own GPT model for your specific domain, and even build and train your own transformer model from scratch based on custom data and architecture. You will be the architect of AI innovation. But wait, there is more in this course. Optimization is the name of the game. We will show you how to streamline your language model for low latency and seamless deployment, discover the art of quantization, master the complexities of knowledge distillation, and navigate the world of Onyx runtime. And when it's time to share your masterpiece with the world, we've got you covered. Learn the basics of serving your transformer model in a production environment using Docker and FastAPI. Deploying large language models in production environments will become second nature to you. We drew inspiration from the following sources when developing the content of this course: natural language processing with transformers, natural language processing in action, Deep Learning Bible for Natural Language Processing, the English version, and the Hugging Face website. Are you ready to embark on this thrilling AI adventure? Buckle up, because the journey to transformer mastery starts now. See you next video. Thanks for watching.